Starting back in 2014, the world changed when the Russians crossed the border and invaded Ukraine, and we learned that they had a sophisticated electronic warfare and cyber capability, and their ability to manage and control the battlefield was, pretty sophisticated and alarming. So we learned, as on the American side, the U.S. forces side of things and coalition forces, that there's a need to be able to fight in a GPS denied environment. So you're not always going to have your satellite communications. You're not going to have GPS connectivity. And so how do we do that? We've got some really discriminating capabilities from the standpoint of things that are ready now that would really help in a DIL environment, a disconnected, intermittent, limited environment, like vision navigation. We do that because we can leverage the sensors on the platform today and bring that into our computer. The internal, we can do internal, external IMU, so we're flexible with the customer requirements there. And on the CAN bus, vehicle odometry data for velocity information. We have the ability to bring in multiple options on timing holdup. Of course, the foundation of all A-PNT solutions are the M-code receiver, and we integrate that in as well. And last two that are kind of critical are the PNT fusion capability, where we take all the PNT inputs that come into the vehicle and fuse it so that we get a more accurate position location because of being able to fuse all the data together. And then lastly is the idea of vehicle distribution. So we got sort of these traditional serial Ethernet distribution capabilities, but we also allow you to be able to connect to the legacy devices with RF distribution. We're allowing warfighters at all levels of the battlefield, combat support, combat service support, to have access to an affordable, cost-effective solution. Combat arms guys are sort of targeted for A-PNT delivery and solutions, while this offers an effective means to get that out there on the battlefield. So all the warfighters, regardless of where they are in the depth of the battlefield, can have this A-PNT solution. It's not limited to the tip of the spear, it's the whole breadth of the battlefield.